Hi, I'm Dr. Ed Tobenas, and welcome to Allcare Medical and Injury. We're delighted to have you as a new patient and want to extend a warm and caring welcome to you during what we understand to be a very challenging time. After automobile accident, it's essential to prioritize your health and well-being. Regular therapy appointments are a crucial part of your recovery process. Our dedicated team of professionals is here to provide you with the best possible care and support as you navigate your path to healing. Consistency in your attending your therapy appointments is vital because it allows us to monitor your progress, adjust your treatment plan, and ensure that you're on the right road to a speedy and fast recovery. Moreover, attending therapy appointments demonstrates your commitment to your own recovery, which can positively impact insurance claim and legal proceedings related to the accident. We understand that life can be hectic, but making your appointments a priority will make a significant difference in your overall recovery. We're here to help you every step of the way, and we look forward to working together to help you achieve your optimal health and well-being. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to call and reach out to us. And once again, welcome to our practice, and thank you for entrusting Allcare Medical and Injury with your care.